Welcome friends. Today we will start with MAT part, that is mental ability test part of NTSC. And in that MAT part we'll start with the first chapter, that is series. Now there are different types of series. We will start with the first type, and that type is number series. Now what is this number series? Number series is list of numbers with the particular pattern. सो या प्रकारच्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये तुम्हाला काही नंबर्स दिलेले असतात आणि त्याच्या पुढचा नंबर तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचा असतो, किंवा काही नंबर्स दिलेले असतात त्यातला एखादा मधला नंबर मिसिंग असतो, तो तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचा असतो आणि त्या नंबर्समध्ये एकमेकांमध्ये काही रिलेशन असतं. त्यांनी एक पर्टिक्युलर पॅटर्न फॉलो केलेला असतो आणि त्यामुळे जेव्हा तुम्ही या प्रकारचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह कराल तेव्हा सगळ्यात पहिले तर तुम्हाला हा पॅटर्न आयडेंटिफाय करायचा असतो. एकदा का तुमचा पॅटर्न आयडेंटिफाय झाला की इझिली तुम्ही मिसिंग नंबर किंवा नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करू शकता. आता आपण काही युज्युअल पॅटर्न्स बघूया काय काय आहेत. हेच पॅटर्न तुम्हाला एक्झाममध्ये विचारले जातील असं काही नाहीये, पण हे युज्युअल पॅटर्न आहे, यांचं कॉम्बिनेशनही तुम्हाला विचारलं जातं, त्यामुळे युज्युअल पॅटर्न तुम्हाला माहिती असतील त्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन तुम्ही इझिली करू शकता. सपोज विल स्टार्ट विथ द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ पॅटर्न. इट इज सम, difference, product, division in preceding numbers. Now we'll take some examples and we'll understand this pattern. Suppose a series is given 1, 4, 7, 10. What will be the next number? You can see the pattern. If we add 3 to 1, we'll get 4. If we add 3 to 4, we'll get 7. If we add 3 to 7, we'll get 10. So here 3 is added in the preceding number. So what will be the next number? You will again add 3 in 10 and you will get next number as 13. Suppose we'll take next example. It is 68, 63, 58, 53. What will be the next number? You can observe the pattern. If I subtract 5 from 68, I will get 63. If I subtract 5 from 63, I will get 58. If I subtract 5 from 58, I will get 53. Now, if I want to get the next number, I have to subtract 5 from this 53. I will get 48. So, my next number is 48. Next example, 2, 4, 8, 16. What will be the next value? You can observe, if I multiply this 2 by 2, I will get 4. If I multiply this 4 by 2, I will get 8. If I multiply this 8 by 2, I will get 16. So I have to multiply this 16 again by 2. I will get next number, that is 32. So here preceding number is multiplied by a fixed number and we are getting next number. Next example, 16, 8, 4, 2. What will be the next number? Here you can observe the pattern. If I divide this 16 by 2, I will get 8. If I divide this 8 by 2, I will get 4. If I divide this 4 by 2, I will get 2. Now to get the next number, I have to divide this 2 by 2. So 2 divided by 2 will be 1 and our answer or our next number will be 1. This is one pattern where we add, subtract, multiply or divide the preceding number by some fixed number. We'll go for second pattern. Second pattern is squares or cubes of consecutive numbers. Let's understand this by taking example. Suppose series is given 1, 4, 9, 16. What will be the next number? You can observe 1 is square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 9 is square of 3, 16 is square of 4. So obviously next number will be square of 5, and that is 25. We'll take one more example. 8, 27, 64, 125. What will be the next number? Again you can observe here 8 is cube of 2, 27 is cube of 3, 64 is cube of 4, 125 is cube of 5. Now obviously next number will be cube of 6, and that is 216. I will suggest you that you should learn 1 to 30 squares and 1 to 20 cubes. So this pattern you will easily get the next number if you learn this 1 to 30 squares and 1 to 20 cubes. Now one more type is there, and it is consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive prime numbers. Let's take an example. 3, 5, 7, 11. What will be the next number? You can see these are prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which are divisible by 1 and that number only. So 3 is a prime number. Its next prime number is 5. Its next prime number is 7. Its next prime number is 11. So next prime number after 11 is 13. So our answer will be 13. Now as I said that there is no fixed pattern followed. Sometimes there may be combination of above patterns. Let's take an example. 2, 9, 65. What will be the next number? You can see 2 is close to 1, which is cube of 1. 9 is close to 8, which is cube of 2. Sorry, here I should write 2, 9, 28, 65. What will be the next number? Sorry. So you can observe 2 is close to 1, which is cube of 1. 9 is close to 8, which is cube of 2. 28 is close to 27, which is cube of 3. 65 is close to 64, which is cube of 4. So you can easily find the relation that 2 is 1 cube plus 1. 9 is 2 cube plus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 1, it is 9. 28 is 3 cube plus 1. 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. 65 is 4 cube plus 1. 64 plus 1, that is 65. So obviously next number will be 5 cube plus 1. 5 cube is 125. 125 plus 1 is 126. So next number or our answer will be 126. Let's take one more example of this combination. 2, 4, 12, 48, what will be the next value? You can see, if I multiply this 2 by 2, I will get 4. If I multiply this 4 by 3, I will get 12. If I multiply this 12 by 4, I will get 48. So here we are multiplying previous number or preceding number by some number, but that number is also getting increased by 1. So obviously to get the next number, I have to multiply this 48 by 5. So 48 into 5, 5 8 is a 40, carry 4, 5 4 is a 20 plus 4, 24. So my next number will be 240. So like this, we can make combination of the patterns mentioned above. Now this was some pattern and their combination. Now we'll take some examples and we'll also go for the previous year NTSC math examples. So friends, we will solve some examples. You can see there are 4 examples. Each example is different, and as I told you that no fixed pattern is used or a combination of pattern is used in the examination. So we'll solve these questions one by one. Let's start with the first question. First question is complete the given series, and series given is 4, 9, 13, 22, 35, and we have to find this next number. By finding this next number, we will complete this series. Now, what pattern is followed? First, identify the pattern. Try to identify the pattern. What pattern is followed? If you observe, first number is 4, second number is 9. If I add 4 and 9, I will get 13, which is my third number. Now, if I add this 9 and 13, 9 and 13, I will get next number, that is 22. If I add this 13 and 22, 13 and 22, I get 35. So you can see here pattern is 4 plus 9 is 13, 9 plus 13 is 22, 13 plus 22 is 35. So to find the next number, we have to add 22 and 35. So 22 and 35, their addition will be 57. So our answer will be 57. So 57 will complete the series. That means our answer is first. Now we'll go for the second problem. Complete the given series. Series given is 8, 24, 12, 36, 18, 54, and the blank space is given. Now try to find out the pattern here. If you see here, it is 8. If I multiply this 8 by 3, I will get 24. And if I divide this 24 by 2, I will get 12. So 8 into 3 is 24, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now again this same pattern is followed. If this 12 is multiplied by 3, we get 36, and if we divide this 36 by 2, answer is 18. Now we will follow same pattern. This 18 multiply by 3, we get 54, which is already mentioned. And if I divide this 54 by 2, it is 27. So here actually the 27, there was a mistake in the question. 27 was already mentioned, and the next number they ask to find out. So 27 is given. Now we'll follow the same pattern, that this 27 will multiply it by 3, and 27 into 3 we get 81. So our answer will be 81. That means first. There was a mistake in question, that 27 was already given in the question, and the next term we have to find out. So next term was 81 and our answer was first, that is 81. Third type of question, it is different from this two. Find the wrong term in the series. So here we are not going to find the next term, we are going to find the wrong term in this series. And the series given is 3, 8, 15, 24, 34, 48, 63. Now, if you try to find out the pattern, here it is 3 and 8. Difference between 8 and 3 is 5. 8, 15. So difference between 15 and 8 is 7. 15 and 24. Difference between 24 and 15 is 9. So you can see their difference is getting increased by 2. So 5, 7, 9. But if you observe next two numbers, 24 and 34, difference between them is 10. If we follow this series, first difference was 5, next difference was plus 2, 7, next difference was plus 2, 9. So here next difference should be 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, but next difference is coming 10, and it is 10 is coming by considering the number 34 here. If we consider 35, then difference between 35 and 24 would be 11, but it is coming 10. So this 34 is the wrong term. If we use 35 here, then difference between 48 and 35 would be 13. So here this 34 was the wrong term. If you find out the difference between 63 and 48, it was 15. So this difference is correct, this is 15. If instead of 34, 35 would be here, then this difference 63 and 48, it is 15. But instead of 34, if we use 35, then this series was completed. So our wrong term will be 34. Next, complete the given series, and series is 5, 11, 24, 51, 106. Here options are not given, but still we can find the answer. You can see, or you can observe, here it is 5. If we multiply 5 by 2, we'll get 10, and if we add 1 in 10, we'll get 11. Again for these two numbers 11 and 24, if we multiply this 11 by 2, we get 22, and if we add 2 in that 22, we'll get 24. Now see relation between 24 and 51. So if we multiply 24 by 2, we get 48, and if we add 3 to it, we get 51. Now see the relation between 51 and 106. If we multiply this 51 by 2, we get 102, and if we add 4 to it, we get 106. Now we will follow the same pattern. We will multiply this 106 by 2, we'll get 212, and we will add, now see the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we will add 5. So 212 plus 5, it is 217. So our answer is 217. Now we'll see some previous year NTSC examples.